Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you want to access your Windows 11 computer from another device, you need to enable remote desktop connections first. I will show you exactly how to turn this feature on in your system settings right now. Let's get started. First, we need to access your core Windows configuration. Right-click directly on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and select Settings from the menu that pops up. Once the main Settings window opens, make sure System is selected on the left-hand panel. Next, scroll down the list of options on the right side of the screen until you find Remote Desktop. Click on it to open the connection settings. You will see a toggle switch next to the Remote Desktop heading. Simply click that switch to turn it to the on position and then click Confirm on the prompt box to finalize the change. Finally, right below that toggle switch, you will see your specific PC name listed. You will need to note or copy this exact name because you have to type it into the Remote Desktop app on the other device you are using to connect. You can also click the Remote Desktop Users option on this same page to specifically choose which accounts are allowed to access this computer remotely. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.